Good morning. It's 4 p.m. Welcome to Vlogmas 2025. We are starting this vlog late, and that's okay. You know, sometimes you just gotta sleep in and do what you can the rest of the day. So I went to go to a cycle class, and I also had to run a few errands. So I stopped by Target and I stopped by Trader Joe's, which I will be doing a haul because I asked ChatGPT to help me make a anti-inflammatory dinner / lunch. So let's do the haul, and then I'm gonna put stuff away and I'm gonna eat because I haven't eaten all day, and I stopped by for a sandwich and a coffee, even though I did drink a large Alani this morning. So hopefully this doesn't send us over the edge, but it's okay because I have quite a bit to do at home anyway. So let's unpack what we got from Trader Joe's. I guess we're making like a salmon bowl essentially with quinoa. So, oh my god, how cute are their holiday bags? So cute. So we got Cruciferous Crunch Collection. So it's basically just a mix of kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage. Looks delicious. I also have some kale, so I kind of want to just incorporate some of that in there. The recipe also called for cherry tomatoes. I got these organic ones. It called for quinoa. So the recipe told me that there were frozen or ready, like already prepared quinoa, but I didn't find any. So we'll have to do some extra steps to cook that. No worries. I grabbed some lemons, which my mom would kill me if she knew because she has a lemon tree, though it did kind of dry me, so I just thought, let me just grab lemons because I need them for today. I got bananas just because I need bananas for smoothies. The recipe also called for green goddess dressing, so I got this. Again, it was salmon, so it directed me to grab the everything but the bagel seasoned smoked salmon. So I got 2 packs of these. I think it told me maybe I needed 2 to 3, so I just got 2. I didn't expect it to be so thin. It has 2 slices. I guess 1 serving is 1 slice, so I guess we'll make do with 1 slice. Also, earlier I had grabbed a pack and it like leaked onto my crock into my sock. So hopefully that wasn't like fish. I got 1 red onion. The recipe also called for pickled onions. Also couldn't find that. Also didn't bother. So I'm gonna actually pickle it myself, make it myself. It also called for avocados, which I got a few for breakfast as well. And it also called for cucumbers. So we're gonna put all this together after I eat, because I do want to take advantage that I have the kitchen to myself right now. So I think I'm gonna work on that, or should I wait closer to dinner? We'll see. I just realized I left my old pozole inside the microwave. Also, really quickly, I'll just show you guys what I got from Target too. I stumbled upon this candle. Oh, it just smells so good. I wanted something that was like pine tree smell. It's December 1st. I just feel like it's a must. This is from the Threshold brand. It's also very cute. This is Forest Fir. It's a soy blend candle. I thought this would be great for just the season. I got some Alani news. I got the Winter Wonderland because I actually took my sisters this morning when I was rushing out the door. I actually just finished my pack of the Witch's Witch's Brew. Like the caramel apple ones. They were so good, and I bought 2 packs of the minis and I ran through them pretty quickly, so those are officially gone. But I also love the cherry twist. I honestly was not an Alani Nu person up until recently. I prefer Celsius. I think it's the flavors. It's definitely the flavors. I feel like Alani Nu tends to taste more sweet. Usually not my favorite, so I really enjoyed this specifically. Again, it's cherry twist. This one's so good. And usually I have the minis, but I'm surprised I drank the whole can because sometimes I even struggle finishing the minis, but I must really like this one. And I thought it wasn't that great, but I finished it. So anyways, I got 4 of each. So let me put those away. I also got Even though I stopped at a Pete's for coffee, it was a little sweet treat, okay, for a Monday, and I'm trying to get stuff done. I got 2 of the Starbucks medium roast iced cold brews because I just run out of these super quick. I just try to make my coffee at home for the most part because $7 plus a day on coffee is a lot. And then so lately this has been like my go-tos. Iced cold brew, and then this creamer in specifically. This is just the Coffee Mate Mexican hot chocolate, the abuelita. Oh my god, it's so good. So good. I hope that they ever discontinue this because I have been loving this one so much lately. So yeah, 2 combos, super easy and quick. I cannot be bothered with the Keurig or an espresso machine, to be honest. So yeah, that is the haul for now. I'm gonna charge the camera because I don't know if it'll make it the rest of the day. And I'm gonna drink part of my coffee. I should take it slow because, like I said, I did finish one of these earlier. Let's put this stuff away. It's a spot. Maybe I'll burn this for the vibes. I still can't get over how cold it is, but we're gonna have to power through. And actually, maybe I'll turn on the fireplace. I think it does make it a little cozier. There we go. So much better. So much cozier. Let's turn this on. Beautiful. Okay. Now we can get to meal prepping. In case you skipped my haul and you need the ingredient list, we need red onion, lemons, we have quinoa, green goddess salad, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, any greens you have. This is the Cruciferous Crunch collection. Salmon. I got the everything but the bagel salmon. I'm still drinking coffee. R.I.P. my sleep. Yes, I don't know what I'm doing, so I do have to go back to ChatGPT and follow the instructions. Lighting is kind of terrible, but I made my bowl. I'm excited to try it. I tried the salmon just by itself because it was the first time I tried the smoked everything but the bagel salmon, and it was actually pretty good. I added the green salad, the green goddess dressing, which I almost forgot. It was rather easy to prepare. Realistically, I probably could have done it in like 30 minutes. Even the quinoa was done pretty fast. So overall, hopefully I like it because I could add it to my rotation of meals. Not bad at all. If you like poke, if you like tuna, if you like salmon. It did seem like a little bit of salmon, but according to the package, it had 2 servings. So I had like 2 slices, so I tried to only get 1 slice, obviously, but I think it's fine. I was able to meal prep for tomorrow's lunch, And then I have another package of salmon that I bought, and I have plenty of quinoa and everything else that the recipe called for. So I'll probably be eating this for another 2 days. Another 3 days total. Not bad, ChatGPT, not bad. The salmon isn't too bad because it's smoked, so it kind of just tastes like ham. It also just helps knowing that this is like healthy. Because one of the things that I've been asking ChatGPT lately is to help me build like an anti-inflammatory diet. So last week, it gave me the idea to make some lentils, like a lentil soup with rice, with brown rice. So I did that. And it was actually pretty good. The only bad thing is that I'm eating it for days at a time, which kind of sometimes like by the third day, I'm kind of like, okay. So maybe I should only meal prep for like 2 days at a time. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But this is good. I think I'm going to add this to my list of rotation of anti-inflammatory meals. Okay, update now that I'm like deep into my bowl and have like mixed everything. So freaking good. I think the green goddess salad really brings everything else together, and something about like the smoked salmon, so good. It does remind me of a poke bowl. Actually, I'm pretty excited that I have this for lunch for the next few days. And yeah, it just feels good that I'm eating something healthy. Hey. Hi, Pepper. Oh my god, they're so cute. They love being by the fireplace, especially Ollie. They're so cute. Just coming on here really quick to end this vlog. I have been editing for maybe an hour or so. I did like a really quick edit, like a pass through, and I still need a lot more to edit, so I will be doing that tomorrow because it is 1 in the morning and this is around the time that I start my self-care night, my self-care routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and go do that. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty busy day because I need to edit this vlog. I need to vlog. And yeah, but I just wanted to hop on here and say good night, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.